Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back, guys. And today we're going to learn how you can express that you love someone. Let's start with the sentence that we all know. Seni seviyorum. Seni seviyorum. That means I love you. As you see, in Turkish, we do not mention the personal pronoun when we say I love you. If you say ben seni seviyorum, ben seni seviyorum, this is grammatically correct, but to be honest, it's never used and it sounds so weird. But when you want to say I love you too, in this case, you definitely need to mention the personal pronoun like this. Ben de seni seviyorum. Ben de seni seviyorum. But mostly we just say ben de seni, ben de seni, or just ben de, ben de. In English, when you say I love you, the verb conjugation is in the simple present tense. However, in Turkish, we conjugate the verb in the present continuous tense. Sevmek is the infinitive verb, sevmek, and this means to love. Seviyorum is the present continuous tense conjugation for the first singular person. This is an important point. When you want to say I love you, you must use the present continuous tense conjugation of the verb. So you have to say seni seviyorum in the present continuous tense. Seni seviyorum. And if you somehow choose to use the simple present tense conjugation of the verb, like seni severim, seni severim, then you should know that we use this form a little differently than you might expect. Imagine you're discussing something with someone that you know and you like, and you're starting to get annoyed. You think that you might hurt this person with what you're going to say. Then this sentence might be used like this way. Ali, bak, seni severim, bilirsin ama bu yaptığın doğru değil. Ali, bak, seni severim, bilirsin ama bu yaptığın doğru değil. Now, let's continue. Seni seviyorum, seni seviyorum. With the verb to love, we use the accusative case suffix if what you love is specific. So, when we say I love you, you is specific, right? Then in this case, it receives the accusative case suffix in Turkish. Sen is a personal pronoun. When we say I love you, sen, you, becomes the definite direct object of the sentence. So we attach the accusative case suffix, which in this case is I. Then it becomes seni, seni. And if you want to say I love him, her, or it, then o receives the accusative case suffix. And in this case, the accusative case suffix is u with a buffer letter ne in between. Onu seviyorum, onu seviyorum. Most of the time, seni seviyorum is used in a romantic manner. It represents a romantic feeling. But you can also use this with family members other than between husband and wife, between mother and children or father and children. From time to time, it's also possible to hear this between good friends. Rarely though. Another word I am pretty sure you know is this, aşık, aşık, and this means love, romantic love. It can also be used to mean passion from time to time with or without romantic feeling. Aşık means lover as a noun. Aşık. Aşık olmak means to fall in love. Aşık olmak. When you say aşığım, this means I'm in love. Aşığım. If you want to say you are in love, then you need to say aşıksın. Aşıksın. Oh, I remember. There's an old song which is called Aşıksın. Aşıksın. It is from İbrahim Tatlıses. You may want to listen to it. And if you want to say I'm in love with you, then you should say sana aşığım. Sana aşığım. There is even a song called Aşığım Sana from Coşkun Sabah. I think you should definitely listen to it. As you see, when we say aşığım, there's a consonant mutation. K at the end of aşık turns into yumuşak G. And aşığım is used with dative case suffixes. Sen is a personal pronoun. When sen receives the dative case suffix, it becomes sana. Sana. I know you will naturally expect it to be sene. Sene. However, in Turkish, it becomes sana. You should memorize it this way. Sana. Aşığım sana is generally used when you want to declare your love to somebody. In daily life, you will not use or hear like Seni Seviyorum. And it is also used when you speak with a friend of yours about somebody you're in love with. Then, this is one of the common phrases. For example, you may say, Serkan, ben Ayşe'ye çok aşığım. Serkan, ben Ayşe'ye çok aşığım. Well, guys, you can hear these sentences in the following forms as well, when people would like to express these feelings very strongly. These are not very easy to translate properly though. Anyways, here they are. Deliler gibi aşığım. Deliler gibi aşığım. Deliler gibi seviyorum. Deliler gibi seviyorum. Delicesine aşığım. Delicesine aşığım. Delicesine seviyorum. Delicesine seviyorum. Çılgınlar gibi aşığım. Çılgınlar gibi aşığım. Çılgınlar gibi seviyorum. Çılgınlar gibi seviyorum. Alright guys, now you have just learned how to express love. I hope you find this video interesting. So, thanks again for your time. See you in the next videos.